Hello everyone, it's me April. Good morning and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you how to make this ruffle skirt. Very simple, you don't need a lot of things to make this ruffle skirt. This is how it looks. I'm showing you the back side guys so you can see the definition of the skirt. This is really easy to make guys, so if you like this kind of skirt, then keep on watching. So this is the pattern that I'm using, and this is the same pattern that I used to make my DIY Brandy Melville plaid skirt inspired. On that video, I did show how to make this pattern. So if you are interested guys, you can go ahead and check that out. Now, to make the front side, we just have to trace the back side pattern of the skirt, just like this. Now we need to make the fold to make it more fit. 7 centimeters, then 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, then 8 centimeters. Now we just have to connect these 3 dots, just like this. Now we have the front side pattern of the skirt. This is how it looks. Do exactly the same for the front side panel of the skirt. Now we have to attach the zipper. Now the skirt should look like this. for the lining, this is my way of attaching the lining. You can do whatever is easy for you, but for me, I find it easier to attach the lining like this. There you go, one side done. Let's do exactly the same to the other side. Voila! Finally, the hardest part is done. At first, I wanted to add a waistband, but then, I got lazy, so I just fold it and sew. The easier, the better. But if you want, guys, you can add a waistband. And for the ruffle, this pattern that I used is the same pattern that I used to make the DIY French beret hat. Add the ruffles and we are done. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you do, please do not forget to like, to comment down below if you have any questions, and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.